By the end of this video, you will know how to enter Form 8949 in TurboTax. Form 8949 is not entered directly in TurboTax. Instead, you will enter the details from your Form 1099-B, and TurboTax will use that information to prepare Form 8949 and carry the totals to Schedule D. Start by opening TurboTax and signing in to your account. Once you are in, go to the Federal section, then open Investments and Savings. This is where TurboTax handles investment sales and brokerage tax forms. When you reach the screen that asks how you want to add your documents, choose the method that fits your situation. You can import the form from your financial institution, upload it, snap a photo, or select Type it in myself if you want to enter everything manually. If you are using a manual entry, make sure you have your Form 1099-B in front of you before moving on. Next, on the Investment Type screen, select Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds, followed by the 1099-B, 3922, 3921 option, then Continue. This tells TurboTax which kind of tax document you are entering. After that, enter your bank or brokerage name. You can type it into the search field or choose it from the list if it appears. If you are entering the form manually, provide the brokerage name and continue to the interview. TurboTax will then ask a series of questions about your investment sales. Follow each prompt and answer based on what appears on your 1099-B. You may be asked whether the sales include employee stock, whether you have more than 3 sales, whether the sales include other investment types, and whether you purchased every investment listed on the form. These answers help TurboTax decide how to organize the entries. You will then choose how you want to enter your sales. Select one by one if you want to enter each transaction separately, or choose Sales section totals if you are entering group totals from the form. Then continue. Now enter the information from your Form 1099-B. This includes the investment type, description, date acquired, date sold, proceeds, and cost or other basis. Enter each field carefully so the sale is reported correctly. If TurboTax shows an option for missing or incorrect cost basis, select the option that matches your form and make any needed adjustment before continuing. After each sale or sales total is entered, TurboTax may ask a few more questions that apply to that transaction. Answer those prompts, then continue through the remaining screens until all investment sales from the 1099-B have been entered. Once everything is entered, TurboTax automatically creates Form 8949 from the 1099-B information and transfers the totals to Schedule D as part of your tax return. Your Form 1099-B information is now entered, and TurboTax has prepared Form 8949 for your return.